Hi guys, my name is Kayla and we are going to be cutting up food, so let's get started. This is corn, and I like corn. This is a potato. You could use it to make mashed potatoes. This is a golden delicious apple. I really like apples. This is an egg. My baby sister Tiffany is allergic to eggs, and I really like eggs. This is sandwich bread. You could use it to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. My favorite. This is a carrot. Carrots are good for you. You have to eat carrots to your eyesight could get better and you can make your bones strong. This is cabbage. You can make stuffed cabbage rolls. This is a mushroom, and I really don't like mushrooms. This is a tomato. Tomatoes have seeds in it. So as a fruit. So is a fruit. This is another tomato. I love tomatoes. This is an eggplant. My mom roasts eggplants. My favorite color. This is a loaf of bread. You could make garlic bread when you're eating spaghetti. This is a carrot. It makes your eyesight better and your bones stronger. This is a bell pepper. It comes in different colors like red, yellow, orange. Last but not least, a watermelon. I love watermelons. It have a lot of seeds. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.